Hey, this is Ben with the WPMinistry Network, and I wanted to show you some of the features that we have and we've included on the site. Now, the basic theme is based on the basic church theme, and we have different custom templates that we're producing for new users and sites to change up some things. But I wanted to show you on the front end just some of the key features of why we decided to go ahead and work with Jack at WP4 Church and his plugins and themes. The main theme that we're working on, and I say theme, if you don't know WordPress, that is just the framework that we're working with on top of WordPress. WordPress is very easy to use on the back end, but this theme actually adds some major features for churches specifically and ministries. So here's some of the key features. First of all, it's very easy to add your site name, or if you have a logo, to add a logo in this section here. And that is very key. You also have a section here that you can add different elements. So if you look at milesroad.org, milesroad.org now has the call phone number up here along with the upcoming events. If you look at flatrun.org, you'll see that they have their social networks and also their service times. You can put anything you want in this section and have it styled that way. These are two of the templates that we are that we are currently working on, so that you can have these already pre-filled and you just change out some of the links or some of the content. So we have those coming out, but all of these, all these themes have the same type of basic features that we really like. Navigation structure is incredibly easy to use. You have drop-down menus, so you can add as many links as you like. On the pages as well, you have a bunch of what we call short codes, and what that is, you don't have to have a developer's education to use these. This is a simple bracket with some words in the bracket, and once you put that in there, it creates these tabs, and these tabs are automatically pre-filled on a template site if you go that route. And then you also have sections that you can add information on. These are footers, and what that means is you can change these out very easily. So if you have upcoming events, you can put them there. You can put your Twitter over on this side without having to worry about a bunch of code. It's a drag and drop feature. Here's one of the key features for its site, and most of visitors, as they're driving down the road, they're going to see if they're looking for a church, or if they want to see what your church is all about, they're going to go right then and there, maybe at the stoplight, hopefully. Maybe some while they're driving, who knows. But they're going to look at your site on their phone if they're interested at all. If you have something unique on your sign, or they've never seen the church before and they're curious about what you're about, they're going to pull it up, and they're going to pull it up on their phone that's way smaller. And if you'll notice what this site does, it automatically moves. It's called responsive design. It automatically changes so that when somebody goes on with their phone, they can easily push these links, and it goes right to the section that they're supposed to go to. All the sidebar information is all down here, the footer information. They can contact you more easily. They can listen to sermons right then and there with that link. And then they have the navigation structure that they can easily thumb through, no matter, and this is pretty extensive navigation, no matter what they have on their site, or you have on their site, they can easily go to it. They have all these, the slider still works on every phone, including iPhones. It's not a flash slider. And each one of these can be linked with a different headline in each one of the sliders, and that slider is very easy to change. It's a matter of just uploading an image and adding a headline to it. You also don't have to have the headline in the slider. If you'll see on this slider is this size. We have two sizes for the slider. If you want content on the right hand side, then the slider will automatically change to a different size. You can also have the slider higher or larger depending on height-wise. And so you can manipulate that however you want. But there's tons of things you can do with this. It's endless, but every theme that we create, or that we give you as far as the templates, are all responsive design. That's one of the key features. It just looks really good on the phone. Your content and your information is easily displayed on those mobile sites. So that is some of the core features of why we love this site on the front end, and because it's great for users to be able to look at the site on any device that they have, whether an iPad, phone, or whether it's on the desktop, and they can get the information right away. All the changes, you can see the color changes here. Those are all easily changed with just one button, and it tweaks to match your logo. So hopefully that helps see some of the features that we like and why we chose to work with the basic church theme and their plugins. And hopefully you'll try it out. Just go ahead to WPMinistry.net. Go on over there and try it out. Just sign up, and you'll be on your way to check it out, the different features that we have to offer for your church or ministry.